We will go through the steps of creating a document template in TheAX in this video. Document templates are supporting the final step of the assessment process, playing back the results to the assessor. Besides this, it is also a great tool to advertise your service, explain your method, and provide additional information to the audience. Let's go through the steps in detail. Document templates are an integrated part of our product kit, so we will find them in the product book folder. We open the selected product book and then navigate to the document templates tab. We can find here all the document templates we created previously. Selecting one would take us to the edit template section, but for today's exercise we will create a template from scratch. First step, as usual, is to enter the basic details of your template. Let's give it a name and tell AI if the report is for a one-to-one or a group assessment. Processing from this page will take us to the configuration step. AI offers us a range of predefined sections we can use to quickly build the document template as a starting point. Depending on the purpose of the document, we can pick the ones applicable for our use case. For this example, I will go with a simple template built for a lead magnet, so I will select the sections I want to use: an introduction, explanation of the model, information about the overall score achieved by the assessor, a diagram about the category scores, the questions and answers, and the conclusion. Once we're done, we can click on the Create button to let AI know it can start the creation. Depending on the number and the complexity of the selected sections, it may take a while for AI to prepare the template. I typically trigger the creation and then prepare a T while waiting. Once the document is ready, the status of the template will change to draft and we can open to fine-tune it. Let's select it. The document can be opened in a preview or an edit mode. Let's first check the preview mode. This will allow us to always check how the document will be experienced by the end user once it is added to an assessment. Be aware, at this point the system will use test data as we don't have actual scores. The document opened in a new tab where you can click through the sections. Let's go through them. You can anytime open the preview mode to see the current status of the template. Let's close the tab and go back to the document template. The Finish Review button will allow us to edit the template and activate it. Let's open it in edit mode. On the left, you can see the generic edit options. Let's visit the theme first. This will add a pattern to the report that is applied to all pages. Clicking on one of them will immediately change the template. Take some time to explore the available patterns and find the one that you like. The third generic formatting option is about coloring. Let's click on it. Here you can pick the colors of the cover page, document, and the accents. Let's first work on the cover page, changing the background and the text color. Once we are happy with the cover page, let's work on the body. To see the results, I selected the introduction page from the sections menu. I changed the background first, and then the text color. Now that I like the template, I save the recent changes. You can anytime save your changes or discard the most recent changes to go back to the previously saved version. You can anytime exit the template, but in order to use it, you need to activate it. That can be achieved by the Finish Review button. This doesn't mean that you can't come back and amend it. That can be done anytime in the future. All this means is now the template is ready to be applied to assessments. The system will ask you to confirm that you really want to activate it. If you don't confirm, the status of the document will remain draft, but if you confirm, it becomes active, like you can see on the first template in the list. You have successfully created and customized a document template using TheAX. Review your template to ensure all sections and styles meet your requirements. There are a lot of other features to format and enhance your template. You also have AI Assistant to help you with that. Please check our video about how to enhance a template. You can also learn about configuration of the assessment in our video library. We hope this video helped you to understand how to maximize the use of our platform. Thank you for your attention.